One of two things is going to happen when you make this chicken. They're going to either hound you every time they see you to bring it to the function, or if you got a boo, they're going to be camped outside your mama house begging for her to call you. Honey, get on in this kitchen so I can teach you how to make my smothered chicken. Now you're going to start with whatever cut of chicken you like, but I chose to go in with chicken thighs, but make sure whatever chicken you use, it has the skin attached. Now I have some room temperature butter and I'm going to slather that over all of the chicken and then go in with my seasonings. So now we want to build our flavor profile. I always start salt-free first. So garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and then I found this garlic herb salt-free seasoning mix. Go in with that, then add your salt and your pepper. Pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour so that skin could get crisp and that chicken done, okay? Now, let's make the gravy. I know what it looks like, but trust me, do not throw those pan drippings away. They are pure gold, okay? So what we're gonna do now is go in with some butter, and that butter is gonna help you deglaze the pan, okay? We're trying to get all of those drippings off the bottom of the pan. Once you do that, you kind of scrape them up a bit. Now you're gonna add in your aromatics. We have a whole onion and about 3 peppers all together, red, orange, yellow, but you don't have to use those colors, whatever bell peppers you like, okay? Cook those for about 5 minutes, and then we need to thicken it up, okay? So we're gonna go in with our flour. It's 4 tablespoons of flour, but add them one at a time, and each time you add a tablespoon, make sure you mix it really well, because if you don't, once you get to this step and you didn't mix it well, the flour is gonna clump up, okay? And don't nobody want no flour floating around in their gravy, okay? So make sure you mix it well, and then let it cook for about 5 minutes until it thickens up, and your gravy is ready. Now it's time to add your chicken back to the pan. Now, gravy is definitely a preference. Some people like theirs on the thicker side. Some people like theirs on the thinner side. I decided that I wanted my gravy to be a little thinner, so I went in with just a touch of chicken stock to loosen it up a bit. And then because I did that, I just adjusted the seasoning. So I went back in with a little bit more garlic powder, a little bit more salt to taste, a little black pepper. And then we got these chicken thighs dressed, honey. And when I tell you, once everybody made their plate and sat down, all I heard was lip smacking and toe tapping, honey, and your family will do the same. Y'all try it this week and let me know what you think. Until next time, it's your girl, Lady B.